welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about my favorite top red lipsticks that I have in my collection. Red lipsticks are tricky to carry, okay, and not all of us are very confident to pull off the red pout, but if you can do that, then you can just rock the world. It is such a gorgeous color and it can make your look from a sober to the glamour one by just changing your lip color, and you can completely change your day look to the night look, okay. Initially I was also not very confident in wearing red lipsticks, and I was always keeping myself restricted in wearing nudes, pinks and mauve kind of colors, but gradually I got my confidence, and I started to figure out what kind of red colors can actually suit to my skin tone. So if you are just starting to wear the red colors, what you have to do is you have to find a kind of red color which actually suits to your skin tones, okay. We have variety of red colors. Some are blue base, which are like ruby kind of dark deep red colors. We have the warm tone colors as well, which have a little orangish hint to the one. So what you have to is you have to try it on yourself and see what exactly looks good on you, okay. And that way you'll build up the confidence of wearing the red color, and eventually you'll be able to pull off any kind of red color. So today's video, I thought I'll just share some of the lip colors which I feel that are good for somebody who is just starting with the red pout, and I hope you guys will be able to find out one of the color from this video which might be suitable for you. So let's just quickly start with the video, okay. So the first color which I'm wearing right now is by NARS, okay. This is the NARS Satin Lip Pencils. These are really amazing and they have a very creamy and very glossy formula. So if you are not into matte one, you can probably try these ones. And the color I have is called Luxembourg. It is a very beautiful watermelon kind of red color and very suitable for the people from the medium fair to the little duskier tone. And these kind of colors you can actually wear it on a daytime as well, because red colors are meant to be to go out to wear when you're going out for party, for clubbing, but there are some colors which you can wear it on a day basis as well. So that is one of the color. Let me show you. It comes in this crayon kind of pencil, and as you can see, it has a little pink undertone to it, so that is the reason I said it's a watermelon kind of red color. Very beautiful, very gorgeous, and very wearable. So that is the first color. Okay, let's move on to the next color, which is by Sleek Cosmetics, and the color I have is called Vixen 787. It is a very pretty orangish kind of red color which looks beautiful when you wear it on a daytime when you are going out for a brunch or something, and I really like it the kind of way I have wear it right now with the white color, because it just complements very beautifully. And that is the color, okay. And let me show you. This is by Sleek, and again the formula is super duper creamy. It just glides on your lips so easily. And let me just swatch it on my hand. Okay, the next color is by Sleek Vixen, and even though the formula is creamy, it just not run all over on your face, and it stays for a quite good time as well. So that is the one, okay, and that is how it looks on my lips. Okay, the third color is by Rimmel, and it is not a true red color, but I thought I should incorporate this one in this video because I'm trying to help you guys to start with wearing your red lipstick, and this could be one of the options you can try off with. It is not a true red color, but it has a coral tone to it, but it is a very beautiful color, and this is by Rimmel Kate range, okay, and it has a little semi-matte finish, but it is again not difficult to apply on your lips unlike the matte lipsticks ones. And that is how it looks on my lips, and let me just swatch it so you guys can have an idea what exactly it looks like. Right, as you can see, it is a neon kind of coral color, but if you are not very comfortable with wearing the red one, this is one of the color you can start off with. And eventually, once you have the confidence to pull out the bright and neonish kind of the pout, you can probably move ahead and get into the red ones. So that is the color, that is how it looks on my lips. And okay, let's move on to the next one, and this is a very affordable options for you guys. If you are, since you are new to the red lipstick, and probably you would not want to spend a lot of money on the kind of color which you are not very sure about if you will be wearing it too often. So I have an affordable option for you, and this is by Streetwear. It is again a classic red color, and it has a glossy finish. It is quite similar to the one which I swatched earlier by Sleek, but definitely the formula is very different, and I like Sleek more than this one. But this is again one of the option you can start off with. So this is by Streetwear, okay. And this is the color by Streetwear. So as you can see, it is like a classic red kind of color, and again a suitable option to start off with. And I'll list down the prices and the links from where you can actually purchase these lipsticks. And most of the lipsticks are now available in India except the NARS one, but these lipsticks are available online. So if you do not find it in drugstore or in their particular brand store, you can take a look online and you can easily get it. Okay, so that is the color, that is how it looks on my lips, and this is the Streetwear. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you the name. This is called Rewriting Rouge. Okay, okay, now let's move on to the last color of this video, and I have saved the best for the last, and this is my all-time favorite, and this is by MAC. The color is called Lady Danger, and it is such a beautiful orangish kind of red color, perfect for the summer and the springtime. I really like it the way I'm wearing it right now. You have a small bun, messy bun, you're wearing the white dress, and it looks super fabulous. It looks very pretty on fair to medium skin tones, but if the dusky people want to wear it, it will look even better. It will just make them look little tan or even duskier. But if you are ready to pull off that look, it will look super gorgeous on you as well. I really like this color. This is the MAC Lady Danger, and I really like this one. It is again the matte amplified formula, but it does not get very tricky when you're applying on your lips. Unlike the other matte lipsticks, it just glides on your lips easily and you can pull it off very well. Let me swatch it. Okay, so the last color is by MAC Lady Danger. So as you can see, it has the orange undertone to it. So it is more towards the orangish side, but this is again a red color, very beautiful, and I really like this one. Okay guys, so that was all for the day. I hope you guys find this video useful if you are planning to start wearing the red lip colors. These were just a few options which I wanted to give you to start off with, but if you want to explore more, there are plenty of red colors which are now available in Indian drugstore, and I try to give you all kind of options like affordable, the high end, or somewhere in the mid range. So, and these lipsticks are very easily available in India, so you will not find any difficulty to buy these ones. So guys, I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, then do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed it yet. And I'm gonna see you next time in my very next video. Till then, bye bye.